Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and this is Jess Scholl Budgets, and today is, I'm not sure what today is, but we have our little helper here today.
Hi!
And we're going to be doing Food Truck Friday. We have 1, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 170 to put in here. Hopefully we can get some of these challenges finished. This challenge, 71. This challenge is from Jess over at Tobin Budgets. I've been working on this all year. And what I do is I take a 12-sided dice and a 3-sided dice, and I roll. And since I'm using 2 dice, I am not able to land on a number 1, so I use 15 as number 1.
Okay, let's get started.
Let's get started. 12.
Well, that's all the way to 7, 9, 11, 12.
Okay, and this one is going to, I believe, personal. Yep, so we roll a 12-sided dice for this one, and that's going to be 9. Sorry for the reach, friends. We're going to save 9 in here, and we're going to put a 1 back and take a 10. And then we'll put these 2 10s back and take a 20. Yes. So now this has 20, 40, 65. And that again is going to personal, which I'm probably going to end up using on Christmas. Okay. Next up, we have number 4.
So that's 1, 2, 3, and then 4.
And then this, I believe, is going to debt. So I'm excited. Yep, I'm excited to get this one going and done. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's get a 6-sided dice. We're going to get a 6-sided dice here, and it is going to tell us what we're going to save $1. So we're going to roll again. You want to put $1 to the side? Yep. Roll again. And that's going to be a 2. So we're going to save. We're going to go ahead and go again. So let's see. That's 3. So let me give you 2 and give me a 5. Okay. And then let's go ahead and roll again. That's a 6. Okay. Should we stop there? We have the money. Let's go ahead and finish this off. That is a 5.
I know that you want to finish this off, but you wouldn't really have any money left if you keep going with this score. Because it keeps kind of landing on big numbers.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I think we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Let's see. And that's a 1. So I need 1 more, and then that's a 4. So I need 5. Let's put the 4 here. And then that's a 3.
Okay, this is the last one.
And the last roll is going to be a 1.
We don't have any ones.
That's okay, because we can do this. 4, and I'll take a 5. Okay.
So we have completed this challenge.
Let's go ahead and take some of this and exchange it. So this challenge for debt, going towards debt, saved us 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, $91. So we'll take a 20 there, 5, 10, 15, 20, and a 20 there. So 2 20s.
We don't have any 220s.
Oh, okay. So we'll just take the 5s in and we'll take 120. And that is a completed challenge. And remember, we're not putting any more in this because I'm going to be doing something different come the new year. So that is a save challenge.
Woo!
Okay, and that's going to debt, a $90 payment towards debt.
Okay, so
right.
let's roll our next number.
11, 12, 13. Oh, nothing in 13. Roll again.
Oh, Mom.
It's a 1. Oh, 8 and a 2. Should we go 8 and 1 since it was originally 1?
Yes.
Okay, so that's going to be a 9. Okay, this is going towards debt again. And we are rolling a, I believe, are we rolling an 8-sided dice?
Roll 2 dice.
Oh, roll 2 dice. 2 6-sided dice, I think is what we were doing. Let's see here.
You can use my dice.
So we have 2 6-sided dice, and it's going to be a 7. Let's put a 7 for our coffee.
Here you go. Here me go.
Okay, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can we take a 10 for that?
So that would equal 20, and I can't give you anything else of a 20.
Okay, and that's 20 more going towards debt. Okay, and then next up, 4 and 3 is 7. So we're just going to go 2 up here.
Right here.
Okay, and this one, I did take this money out and make a payment. So we're going to go ahead and do our black olives again. So we're going to do 1. So $5 going in here.
Here's a 5.
And this is going to back to school. Okay. Next up, we're going to number 7 again. Okay, so another $5. Okay, and that's going to be $10 for back to school. Four is done.
Let's roll again.
11.
We'll have to go all the way kind of to the back. So here's 9, 10, 11. Oh, I love scratching.
And this is going to travel, which I think I'm going to put towards Christmas. So if you want to go ahead and scratch one of those. And we have a 6. Okay, we have a 6 here.
So we'll take out a 5 and a 1.
And this will now have,
Can I count? It will have 20, 25, 21, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
and this is going
29.
to save us 60. So we have a little ways to go with that.
What was the next?
Let's see. Let's move that so far, and then you go.
Okay. Let's roll.
It's 9. So we're going to roll 2 dice. You want to take those out, and there's those 2.
Okay. Looks like we're saving $6.
$6. Let's put $6 for this cappuccino here.
Here you go.
And this now has $26. 25, 26. And this has 2 more to go. Okay, next number up is 10.
Oh, I'll sketch it. Okay, so burger is 2 and fries is 6. I'm gonna scratch here. We got a burger.
You see it? Okay, so that's going to be $2.
1 and 2, and this is going to lawn care.
This is going to lawn care. Okay, or roll the dice again.
Oh. 7.
7 again. 6 and 7. So it's going to be another $5.
Here you go. This is our last 5, and then we have $103 left to play.
Okay, so we'll need to make change probably. Okay, go ahead.
We have 6. So just behind it. Let's save $3 so that way we have a.
This is a roll and save, so we're going to roll a 6-sided dice.
Okay.
And that's going to give us 5.
We'll have to make some change.
Okay, let me make some change really quickly, friends. I'll be right back. Okay, friends, we got some change here, and we are going to put $5 in here, and this will now give us 25. And this is going to birthdays.
Oh, I love birthdays. All right, let's roll again. We are going to 9.
Okay, and we're going to roll 2 dice. Let's go ahead and just finish this one off as well, since there's only 2. So 7.
7 here.
Okay.
Let's roll again. Oh. 10.
7 and 10.
So $17.
To finish this up.
And this one is going to debit.
Debt.
Deb.
No, debt.
Debt. Why
We
does it
have
look
10,
like debit?
20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. If you want to give me a 10 for these 2 5s so we can keep some 5s.
I would love to.
And then a 20 for these 2 10s. I mean, I think I did that a little more difficult than it should have been, but it's okay. Okay, and another one to debt is done. That is going to give us $130, I believe, for debt. That's amazing. Woohoo! Okay, and we're not
Like
putting
a
another
boss.
one in here. She, as a matter of fact, got me this from Dave & Buster's. And for my YouTube videos. So go ahead and roll again. We have 9. We just finished number 9, so that would have been finished anyways.
Oh.
Okay, we have 3.
So
Number
we're going
3.
all the way to the front, which is right here.
Okay, this has 3 more left, and I believe
So
this
let's just finish it.
This is going to Christmas, so let's go ahead and finish it. This is a 6-sided dice. Yep, just 1. So 5.
So
Go ahead and roll again.
So 5.
Okay, next one.
4.
4.
So you give me a 1 and I'll give you a 10.
I don't have a 1. Let's see what the next number is. and a 5. So that's $9.
So that's $19.
So I need some ones.
You'll do this and you can
We will actually just go ahead and save 10. I don't have any ones, so we're going to go ahead and go with the extra $1. Okay, so this is another completed challenge. This is going towards Christmas. You ready?
Woohoo!
Okay, and number 3 is done. All right, on to the next number. Number 5.
Five, sorry.
And this has 3 scratchers left on it. Do we want to go ahead and finish this one?
Yes. We got a top. We got 4.
Okay, so here's a 1 and a 5 for... Okay, so let's go ahead and finish.
$6 so far.
So $10. Oh wait, is that a 2 or is it a 6?
It's a 2.
Okay, so $6.
That's why I said $6.
I'm sorry, I couldn't see from this angle. And the last scratcher is going to be
a 5.
so 6 and 5 is 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, and 20. So if you want to give me 2 10s or a 20. Perfect.
Take the 1.
And this saved us 35.
And this is
going to kids.
I'm important. So we have another challenge completed.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Okay.
Let's roll the next one.
We are going to number 7.
No, wait.
That's a 6.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Okay, and that's another $5.
Very good.
Let me give you a 5 and you can give me a 10.
How'd it go? Thank you for the 5.
So this now has $20 in it. And next place we're going is number 10, which is going to lawn care. Scratch off.
That's the burger one. Oh, that's fries. Okay.
Oh,
You didn't put it right there. And right there.
can you just scratch
Yeah.
one?
I did this one. Oh.
And that is a burger. That's going to give us $2. 3, 4, and 5. So it looks like we are getting all the burgers, and we're going to end up leaving the fries for last.
Oh.
And this is going to lawn care. Okay, and I think afterwards I'm going to go ahead and move all this up and change, I believe, to a 12-sided dice. Okay, you want to roll again?
Yes, I would love to.
13, I believe is done.
Sorry?
11.
Can I roll?
Sure. You want to scratch one off of there?
Yeah, I'm so scared. It looks like it's a 7.
It does, in fact, look like it's a 7. 8, 9, 10.
Sorry. This is going to travel, so we're probably going to use it for Christmas. So 10.
Yes.
And 10. Alright. May I roll the dice? We have the other little helper here.
And we have
A 5.
a 5.
So 8.
And 5 is done.
Oh wait, it's 5. So roll again.
5 is done. Give me a second. Let me rearrange these real quick.
Right.
Okay, and so it looks like I rearranged these and we have up until 9. So we're going to just use a 12-sided dice. I can't find if I have a 10-sided dice. So we're going to go to number 8.
Right there.
Okay, number 8. This is going to personal. This one we roll a 12-sided dice for. And that's going to give us 10 for this one. 10. So we'll put a 10 in here.
Roll again.
Go ahead and roll again.
And we got a 5.
We have a 5. Okay, and this one we roll a 6-sided dice.
Sugar. We have 4.
And we have a 4.
Oh.
So we're going to, let's see here. We're going to just take 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one is going towards business. Okay, and our 12-sided dice again.
Okay. And we have 11.
11. We don't have 11 because we only go up to 9.
We have 2.
2. This one has not been started yet, and this one is going towards the emergency fund. So, son, if you want to scratch there.
Okay.
Oh, and I just realized we didn't put our numbers on the bottom. So let's go ahead and put our numbers. Okay, let's go. Okay, so roll our 6-sided dice.
6.
That
5.
is going to be $5 for that one. Roll it again. That's
4.
going to be 4.
1.
And that's going to be a 1. Okay, so we're going to start this challenge off with $5.
Yay!
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. 5.
Okay, roll our
Pancake.
6-sided dice.
4.
4 again.
Yep.
Okay, 4. Let's go ahead and put 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay.
1.
1. Okay, you want to scratch one off of there?
Yep.
Okay, this is a number 3. So 4, 5. And that'll give us 5.
Okay. I shall.
Okay, and both my helpers left me. So now we're going to go ahead and finish this up. We have an 11. We don't have an 11. Let's do this, friends. Let's do, I have a 4-sided dice. Okay. We have 4 and 6 is 10. We don't have a 10. We have 2 and 1 is 3. Okay, and this one we're rolling a 6-sided dice. And that's going to give us a 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is going towards birthdays.
When's Black Friday?
On Friday, baby. We have $11 left. So 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is $2.
Yeah.
2. Let's do 2 and we'll take 6 back and put the 10. So we have 1 and 2. Perfect. So now we have $20 in here. And that leaves us with $7. So hopefully we don't have an IOU. Okay. Last roll. 6, 7, 8. Okay. And we're just going to go ahead and put the 7 in here. Normally I roll the 6-sided or the 12-sided dice, but since we only have 7 left and I don't want an IOU, we're going to put 7 in here. And that'll leave us with 3, which hopefully we will finish up for the next time. Perfect. Great, great, great finish. We did finish 4 challenges, 2 towards debt, 1 to Christmas, and 1 towards kids. So we did finish 4 challenges. We're going to put a great big debt payment towards debt today. I'm going to go take this over to the bank before they close and put that towards debt. So I hope you all have a great weekend. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and like this video. And if you want to stick around, please hit the subscribe button. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye, everyone.